Welcome to this lecture. As previously we created our new Flutter project and we created the GUI of our image picker application. And now we are gonna add the code to choose or capture the images inside Flutter. So in order to do that, we are gonna use a library called image picker. So to use this library inside our Flutter project, open your browser and go to a site called pub.dev. And this is the site from where you can get the official packages for Dart and Flutter. And the package we are gonna use is called image picker. So just type image picker here and press enter. And in the search result you can see this first result, image picker, with the popularity 100%. So just click on it and the documentation page will be opened. And here we got the instructions to use this library inside our Flutter application. And the first instruction is installing it inside our project. So just click on this installing button and here you will find this dependency. So just copy this image picker dependency and we need to paste it inside our pubspec.yaml file. So here open this pubspec.yaml and in the dependency section we are gonna paste this line. After that, click on this pubget so that this library will be downloaded and added inside our Flutter project. And there you can see in 3.3 seconds this library is downloaded and added inside our Flutter project. After that, open the documentation page again so that we can read the next instructions. So just click on this read me button and there you will find the instructions. So firstly we got the instructions for iOS. So for iOS we need to specify the reasons that why we want to access the gallery or camera. As by using this library we can do couple of different things. Like we can access the gallery, we can open the camera, and also we can record the videos. So whatever feature we want to use, for that purpose we need to specify the reason that why our application want to access the gallery or camera or microphone. So in order to specify these reasons, we need to add some key value pairs inside info.plist file of our iOS application. So just copy this key, this NS photo library usage description. After that, open our project and go to iOS. And in iOS, open runner and open this info.plist file. And there you can see a couple of key string pairs. So here we need to add a similar key string pair. So firstly add a key and closing tag for key as well. And now in between paste the line that we copied. So here after specifying this key we need to add the string tags, and in between these string tags we need to specify the reason that why we want to access the gallery. So let's remove this earlier text. And here you need to specify the reason that why your app want to access the gallery. Like you can specify the reason as your application will gonna help users to scan barcodes, so it need to access the gallery so that user can choose an image and pass it to the barcode scanner. Similarly you can specify some other reason as well. So after specifying the reason for gallery, you need to specify the reason for using or accessing the camera, and you need to do the same for microphone. So let's copy this key string pair and paste it below. After that, let's correct the spacing, and then we are gonna paste the key for accessing camera. So open the documentation page and there you can see this NS camera usage description. So just copy it. Then open the project again and in between the second key just paste the line and remove this space. So now here in between these tags you need to specify the reason that why your app want to access the camera, and these things will gonna help you when you are gonna publish your application on App Store. And after doing that, open the documentation page and the setup for iOS will be completed. And then we got the instructions for Android. And for Android, we need to verify only one thing. And that is our minimum SDK version should be less than 21. So inside Android, go to our app folder and open this build.gradle file, and there you can see this minimum SDK version, and for now it is being specified using this variable. So you need to make sure that your minimum SDK version is 21, so you can manually specify it as well. And that's it. So after doing that, the setup for Android and iOS will be completed.